Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy banana bread chocolate chip. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 3 or 4 very ripe bananas, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have ready 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. First, mash your very ripe bananas in a large bowl until mostly smooth. Next, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and pour it into the mashed bananas. Then, add 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are well combined and smooth, creating a delicious base for your bread. Now, in a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing just until combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, fold in 1 cup of delicious chocolate chips, distributing them evenly throughout the batter. Pour your delightful batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let it cool for 10 minutes in the pan, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing and enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.